Hi there! Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about travel hair tools and which ones I actually use and like when I'm out there on the road. Hi there, welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to see and explore the world in our spare time. Today I'm talking about travel hair tools. I've said this before, I'll say it again, I'm not a fashionista. Not even close. If it's between spending an hour on my hair and seeing a museum, I'm gonna go see the museum. But I found that I don't really like to look like a ragamuffin when I'm traveling, so sometimes I will make an effort to do my hair, and that's where the tools come into. Most hotels and even Airbnbs now will have a hair dryer, which is awesome. Check the description, see if it has one. If they do, don't bother packing one. But if they don't, you might want to consider taking your own. And this little guy is pretty great. It's called a Baby Bliss. It's pretty tiny. Folds up like this. You know, you can wrap the cord around it. But the best part about it is it has this dual voltage converter. So you're going to want that, especially a hairdryer situation. You could easily have a nice little blackout if you have the wrong voltage on. You don't want to do that. So this little guy runs usually around like I think $20 maybe, so it's not too expensive, packs up pretty light. Still, it takes up space if your hotel already has one, but if not, I can recommend this. The funny thing is that both R and I bought one of these on the same day without the other one knowing that we were buying one of these, so we both have one. Now, if you like to curl your hair, which I don't bother with a lot because it takes time, but sometimes I like to do a little something with it. So, curls. When it comes to curling irons, Connor makes this travel one that comes in a handy little case and has these CO2 cartridges. That's how it heats up, which made me really nervous. I did a lot of research on TSA regulations, and apparently, as long as you pack this in your carry-on, you can totally bring this with you. I thought for sure I was going to get stopped, but you can only carry the one cartridge. It's pretty easy to use. Just unscrew the top, screw this in, push to start, push to turn on, and then you push up to start. And then you just kind of sit it there for a few minutes. It'll make like a sound, and then it'll be hot enough to curl. Now, I thought for sure that I just had to hurry really fast because I thought I was just draining my liquid. But I've taken this on several trips, used it several times, and my liquid level is down to there. So I think you can get some out of this. However, I do have pretty fine hair, not a lot of it. If you have a lot of hair and you want to curl, this is going to take forever. It also makes, so I curled this side, this half of my hair with it. It makes for very soft curls. If you're looking for tight little ringlets, this probably isn't going to do it. I don't think it gets quite hot enough. But yeah, this works pretty good. I still get nervous traveling with it. All right, now on this side of my head, we used the mini, adorable, super cute baby flat iron. It's like a baby flat iron. Look how tiny that thing is. Anyway, it makes these kind of flat irony looking curls. So not quite as soft as these. They kind of have the little kind of almost spiky ends. The nice thing about this is it doesn't take up enough power that you have to worry about a different voltage. Plug it into your adapter and it'll work great. This one that I bought has a really long cord, which is important because you never know where the outlets are going to be. And if you're taking something to work on your hair, there might not be a handy one in the bathroom right next to the mirror. So long cord's good. The nice part too is that it packs up in a cute little case. So there you have it. These are the 3 hair tools that I have actually tried out on the road, overseas. I pack the hair dryer if the place I'm staying does not have one. Between the flat iron and the curling iron, I actually prefer the baby flat iron. It's just a little bit easier. I don't have to worry about that CO2 cartridge, and I think it gives me better curls. This is still a worthy option. I think I just prefer this one. So tell us, let us know, what hair tools do you use out there on the road, if any? Let us know which ones have worked great, and hopefully we'll see you out there.